Okay, starting 4-4, proportional and non-proportional situations. This little graphic organizer kind of gives you an illustration of what to look for when you have a graph, equation, or a table to see if the graph or if graph, equation, or table are proportional or non-proportional. If you'll just follow, starting with graph, does the line go through the origin? If yes, you can keep going to the next one. It's proportional. If the line does not go through the origin, then it's not proportional. Just use this organizer in that way. We'll use it to do the following problems of the example. So let's go on to the first example. Number 1, determine if each relationship is proportional or non-proportional. Explain your reason. So I'm looking at a graph, and I'm back on my graphic organizer. I'm looking at the graph, line through origin. Does the line go through the origin? No. So what's the graphic organizer say? Non-proportional. So my answer here is non-proportional. Okay. And the reason for it being non-proportional? It's the line not through origin. Abbreviate through there, origin. Okay, number 2 is a table. So I'm going to need to go back to my organizer, looking at a table to see if it's proportional. I need my constant y over x, ratio 0, 0 belongs to the pattern. So I have to have a point where x is 0, y is 0. And y over x is constant. If y over x is not constant, then it's not proportional. So let's check the y over x. So y over x, that's 6 over 2, 9 over 3, and 15 over 3. That equals 3, that equals 3, that equals, this is supposed to be 5. That equals 3. So the k is constant, so therefore it is proportional. The reason that it is y over x is constant. Okay. Moving on to number 3, I have an equation. Graphic organizer says equations. For it to be proportional, linear with y-intercept equal to 0. So that means it's going to be y equals a number times x. That's y equals kx. Okay, this is the y equals kx form. For it to be non-proportional, linear with y-intercept not equal to 0, that's going to be your y equals mx plus b form. Let's look at this equation. Is there a y-intercept here? No, so it is proportional. Okay, the reason y-intercept equals 0. All right, number 4, I have another equation. This time I have a y-intercept, and from the organizer, it tells me if I have a y-intercept that does not equal to 0, then it's non-proportional. So this is not non-proportional. And the reason why y-intercept does not equal 0. That little equal sign with the slash means does not equal. Okay, let's go over to the next problem on the back of your note. Your turn number 1, determine if each of the following graphs represents a proportional or non-proportional relationship. So, does this first graph go through the origin? No. So it is non-proportional. Okay, number 2, does this graph go through the origin? Yes. So it is proportional. If you didn't remember the rules, just go back to your graphic organizer, look at the graph. And it says line through origin, proportional, line not through origin, non-proportional. All right, next one. has nothing but equations. So what I'm looking for, does it have a y-intercept? This one does not. This one does. This one does. This one does not. But this one is actually not in the right. It's backwards. So we need to rewrite it. So it's 12D equals 36. All right, so on the first one, 65T, there's no y-intercept, so that is proportional. Number 6 has a y-intercept that's greater than 0, so it's non-proportional, or not proportional, either or. Okay, and then this one again has a y-intercept, so this is non-proportional. All right, this one has something being multiplied times the variable, and it's just telling you what y equals. That's all it's doing. So this is, and there is no y-intercept there, so that is proportional. Okay, on to the last one. Determine if the linear relationship represented by each table is a proportional or non-proportional relationship. So now we have tables. So we need to see if our y over x is constant. So this is 30 over 2, 90 over 8, 150 over 14. So this is 15. This equals 11.25, and this equals 10.71. So are they constant? Are they the same? No. Well, this is non-proportional. The next one, do the same thing. Y over x, that's 1 over 5, 8 over 40, and 13 over 65. All right, 105 just equals 1 over 5, 8 over 40 equals 1 over 5, and 13 over 65 equals 1 over 5. So, my y over x is constant, therefore this is the proportion. Be sure you got these notes filled out. Be ready to work on the homework in class. And if you have any questions, please come with them. Have a good day.